Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we're going to replace hardware in the coupler to the trimmer shaft on a Ryobi 40-volt string trimmer. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, projects, and yard work. As seen, this Ryobi string trimmer gets used consistently. Although the attachments were rarely changed, the hardware in the coupler was worn out enough that it was unable to clamp down on the trimmer shaft. The stock hardware was unable to be backed out by hand, likely because the threads were stripped. Prior to recording this video, I cut the hardware using a reciprocating saw. The first thing I wanted to do was check the thread size of the original hardware. With the thread size confirmed, I could match the coupler with new hardware. I used a tap to ensure that the thread of the new hardware would fit in the coupler. I added the lock washer to help keep the fastener in place. Keep in mind that this hardware is specified for about 7 pound-feet of torque. That being said, since this is a clamp with a wing nut previously installed, I chose to tighten the hardware down with 2 wrenches by hand. Although the hardware takes away the convenience of quickly changing the attachments with a wing nut, it has held up and remained tight after a few uses. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.